Hello, my name is Plamena and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we say I was and I have been in Bulgarian. It is not very difficult, but still we have different forms as usual for the verb to be. Just like in the present, we also use different forms in the past. And when we have I was, simple past tense, when we specify when we were somewhere, the forms are аз бях, ти беше, той беше, тя беше, то беше. Ние бяхме, вие бяхте и те бяха. Please note here that the forms for ти, той, тя and то this time are the same. They always use беше. And what is specific about these forms is that they can start a sentence, and very often we actually skip the pronoun, especially when it is us. For me, for myself, I will never use the sentence аз бях вчера на работа. Well, not never, but most of the time, I will just say бях на работа вчера. And when we want to say negative sentences, we just put не in front of these forms. So, for example, не бях на работа вчера. I was not at work yesterday. And if we want to say that we have done something, we have been somewhere, but we do not want to specify exactly when, we use something which in Bulgarian is called минало неопределено време, literally translated with past undefined tense, which corresponds as an idea to present perfect tense from the English language. And to say I have been in France, for example, in Bulgarian this will be аз съм била в Франция. Please note that I say била with a in the end because I'm a woman, but if you are a man, you only use бил with l in the end. Or if we are talking about a group of people, the plural form is with и, били. So we will say ние сме били в Франция. So all the forms are аз съм бил or била, ти си бил or била, той е бил, тя е била, то е било, ние сме били, вие сте били, те са били. And we always use бил, била, било, били with the present form of the verb to be. Аз съм била в Франция. I have been to France. Have you heard any of these forms? Do you struggle to talk about the past in Bulgarian? If so, we are here for you, so comment below, contact us, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you.